Hello everyone. So in this video we will learn how to create contacts for new WordPress users. So imagine this, a guy called as John has registered himself on your WordPress site. So you have John's name, email address and all those details. So you want to add John as a contact in Constant Contact, maybe to send him a confirmation email or follow-up messages in the future. So here you have two choices. The first choice is copy all the details of John from WordPress, sort it out, and manually add him as a contact in Constant Contact. Now this process is actually very repetitive and tiresome. So I would suggest that you bring in some automation so that whenever a new user registers on WordPress, it will automatically create a contact on Constant Contact. So in this video, we will be using Pabbly Connect to integrate WordPress and Constant Contact. The best part of using Pabbly Connect is there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you on my screen. Okay, so we will begin with a small example. So as you can see, this is the login page of my account. So a customer or a person is going to register himself, and when he registers to my WordPress account, he will be created as a contact in Constant Contact. So that's the basic gist. So what we are going to do here is I'm just going to enter as a person. So let's say the name of the guy is Lygium. The first name is Lygium, the last name is O'Reilly, and this is his username. Okay, and the company he works is Apple Store. This is the user email. Okay, let me add some more numbers, and this is his password. This is his address. This is the address line too. This is the phone number, and the country is Afghanistan. Okay, let me change that. How about Canada? And this is the zip code, and let me just click on submit. So basically the gist is if Lygium O'Reilly is added as a registrant in your WordPress account, he will be also created as a contact in Constant Contact. Okay, so as you can see, the user has been successfully registered. So basically this is the gist. So let me just go to Constant Contact to check if we have a person called as Lygium O'Reilly in our contact list. So let us check. Yes, we do have a person. So the name is Lygium, the last name is O'Reilly, and this is the email address lygium12378word@gmail.com, and the status is of course subscribe. So basically this is the gist. A registration happens in WordPress, it will be created as a contact in Constant Contact. Now to begin the actual integration process, in the new tab, let me just type pabbly.com. So your obvious question is why pabbly.com? Well, we have an app called as Pabbly Connect that will integrate WordPress and Constant Contact. So this is the website of pabbly.com. Here, let me just click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also build your own free account in just 2 minutes. So let me just scroll down, and here you will find Connect. Just click on Access now. Okay, so here at the top right corner, you will find a button, Create Workflow. Click this. Now, before I create a workflow, there is something I have to do. So as you can see, there is already a workflow that is creating a contact when a WordPress user is added. Okay, so basically I have to switch this off. If I don't switch this off, it will create double results when we create a new workflow. Okay, so to avoid the duplication of result, I have switched this off. Okay, and we are going to start from scratch by creating a new workflow. It is actually none of your concern. Just click on create workflow. Okay, so we have to give a name to this workflow. I'm going to give it as WordPress to Constant Contact, and let me just click on create. Okay, so when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. So basically we are going to create a new workflow. Now in case if you want to replicate or clone this workflow, the link of this workflow is available in the description box. So in the choose app, how about we make it as WordPress? WordPress it is. Okay. And in the trigger event, how about we make it as user register? So user registers is a trigger event. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically an if statement. It asks a question, if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new user registers in WordPress, then what action should be taken by the system? So we do have a ton of trigger events like post updated, post deleted, post trash, user login, user deleted, all of them are a bunch of trigger events. Now in case if you want more triggers of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com to custom build a trigger event for you. But at present, I just want to send the data when a new user registers in WordPress. So basically the gist is we have to integrate WordPress to Pabbly Connect. So basically we will start from scratch. So there is something you have to know. there is a plugin that you have to install first. So the name of the plugin is WP Webhooks. Okay, so this is the name of the plugin. I'm just going to copy this and let me just take you to the WordPress. So this is my WordPress site and I'm just straight away taking to the installed plugin. So this is my section of installed plugin. So let it load. Okay, so this is the plugins page, and in the installed plugin I'm just going to search for this particular plugin, that is WP Webhooks. Okay, so let it load. Okay, so as you can see here we have this plugin WP Webhooks. Now this plugin is already installed in my system. Now in case if you want to install, all you have to do is just click on add new and just type in the name WP Webhooks and just activate the plugin. Now I'm not really going to teach you how to add a plugin, it's actually pretty easy. Okay, so this is the plugin that has been installed. So let me just click on settings. Okay, so we have clicked on settings. Okay, so this is the settings page of WP Webhooks plugin. So basically the idea is that we want to send the data when a new user registers in your WordPress account. So let me just click on send data. Okay, so now we have to set up the triggers. So here you will find the option called as add webhooks. So click this. Okay, so we have to give a name to this webhook URL. So I'm going to give the name as constant contact. Okay, so this is the webhook name because we are going to send the data to constant contact. And in the webhook URL, let me just go to Pabbly Connect and copy this. This is the webhook URL you want. Copy this and simply paste it here. Okay, so we have entered the webhook URL. So let me just click on add for create user. Okay, so basically we are setting up the integration of WordPress to Pabbly Connect. So as you can see, it is showing the webhook URL has been added. So basically we have integrated WordPress to Pabbly Connect. And when a user registers, it will keep sending on the data. So as to ensure that Pabbly Connect captures this data, let me go to Pabbly Connect and let me just click on this button, capture webhook response. Click this. Okay, so it is showing it is waiting for the data. So what we're going to do here is, this is my registration page and let me just refresh this and we are going to make some more entries. So this time we are going to register as a name as a guy called as Tom Cruise. Okay, so we are filling the details. So the first name is Tom, the last name is Cruise. This is the username. Okay, let me just type a very good name, Tom. Okay, so this is the username. The company name is TLF. This is the user email. Let me just add 2-3 characters more. And this is the password that Tom Cruise is going to use. And this is the phone number. The country of residence is India. And this is the zip code. So let me just click on submit. Okay, so it is showing the user has been successfully registered. So what I'm going to do here is, since Pabbly Connect is integrated with WordPress, let's have a look. Has it captured the details of Tom Cruise? Okay, so yeah, we do have the details of Tom Cruise. So this is the username that we have added. And then we have the user email. And where are the rest of the details? So this is the last name, okay, Cruise and Tom. Then this is the company, this is the area of residence, and this is the country where he resides, and this is of course the phone number. So basically the idea is that using all these details we are going to create a contact in constant contact. So to do that, let me just click on this plus button and let me introduce one more window. So this window is called as the action window. Now in the choose app, how about we make it as constant contact it is. Okay. Now in the action event, we simply want to create a contact. So let's make it as create a contact. Now just like the triggers, if you want more action events according to your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com to custom build an action event for you. But at present, I just want to create a contact in constant contact. So let me just click on connect with constant contact. In the new credentials, connect with constant contact. Okay, so it is demanding request for approval. So before you click on allow, let me tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure with us. So on the basis of that trust, let me just press allow. Okay, so it's showing the authorization is successful. Just press OK. Okay, so when you click on OK, a set of blanks has appeared in front of you. The purpose of these blanks is very simple. We are going to create a contact in constant contact from the data that we have received from WordPress. So as you can see, by default it is showing a list, and in the list we have a ton of list. Okay, so let me just show you the list. So let me just go to constant contact, and let me just show you all the list we have in constant contact. So the idea is that all the list that is present in constant contact is being reflected in Pabbly Connect. This is because Pabbly Connect is integrated with constant contact. So these are all the list we have. It has loaded, the page has loaded: WooCommerce order, Shopify, Salesforce lead, beauty list, general interest lead. So basically all the context that is present here is being reflected here. Okay, so all the list that is here is here. So what if I create a new list for WordPress users? So for your consideration, we are going to create a new list, and the name of the list is WordPress. Okay, let me just correct the spelling, I'm sorry. WordPress list. Okay, so this is the name of the list, and let me just click on create. Okay, so a list called as WordPress list has been created. So let me just go to Pabbly Connect and let me just refresh this. So when we refresh this, I can expect to find this newly created list in the drop down. Yes, we do have this list, that is WordPress list, and we have added this. So the idea is that once the contact is created, it will be added in this particular list. Okay, now coming to the email address, let's start mapping. So let me introduce you to this button. This button is called as the mapping button. When we click this, we will find all the data that we have received from WordPress. So the name of the, no, I'm sorry, the email of the person is this, and we have mapped it. Now coming to the permission, let's keep it as explicit. Now the first name is, I think, Tom, I think. Okay, yeah, this is the first name. Similarly, we are going to map in the last name. So we have mapped the last name. Now we don't have any data regarding the company name. Oh, we do have the company name. I think it was DLF. Actually, I'm going to just search for DLF. Okay, yeah, and we have mapped it, and we do have the detail of the phone number. So it was something starting with 7. Oh yeah, so this is the phone number, and we have mapped it. We don't have any data regarding the work phone or the mobile phone, so we are just going to ignore it. So basically we have mapped sufficient details to create a contact in constant contact, and when we click on save and send test request, it will actually create a contact in constant contact. So let me do that. Let me just click on save and send test request. Okay, so this is the API response, and let me just refresh this. Okay, so as you can see, this is the WordPress list. Okay, and then we have the email, the first name, the last name, the company, and the status. So we have successfully got this person in constant contact. Now before you leave, let me just go to Pabbly Connect, and let me just explain you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. So I'm just going to minimize my action window, and I'm going to minimize my trigger window. So basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated WordPress to Pabbly Connect, and then you have integrated Pabbly Connect to constant contact. So now there's a perfect flow of data between WordPress and constant contact.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate up plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or better, just visit our website www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.